Hi, I'm Dave May, and this is Results Evaluation. So in Algor, there are a lot of different results you may be interested in. This is an example of a basic static stress analysis, and this particular analysis type has some certain results that are associated with it. If I click the Results pull-down menu at the top here, notice I can look through my displacements, my magnitude or directions, stresses, there's a lot of different calculations for those, as well as strains. Right? And those are going to be your three primary results for a structural analysis. If you're doing like a heat transfer analysis, for instance, you'll have things like temperatures and heat fluxes there. But you can change results the exact same way for any analysis type by just clicking the Results menu and then choosing the result that you would like to look at. Another thing that people like to do often is take a look at internal results. I put it on stress here just so that the contours look a little bit different. And I'm going to go ahead in the tree, and under Presentations, I'm going to right-click on Slice Planes and say Add a Slice Plane. Now I can slice this on any of these planes I like, or I can even create my own, but I'll just go ahead and choose XY in this case. And then I'm going to go ahead and click this button. This says Translate Normal. It's going to allow me to click the slice plane and drag it through the model. Whenever I release it, it's going to show me the stresses calculated on that plane. Right, so this is really nice anytime you have an enclosure or a model that's difficult to tell what's going on the inside of. Whether I'm creating a slice plane or not, another popular thing to do is create images and animations. So to create an image, all you have to do is click this icon right here. It's a little camera. It says Save Image. Or I can click File, Export Image. And to make an animation, you can do File, Export, Animation, or click this little button right here of a camcorder with a diskette beside it. You can animate live in the results environment if you'd like to as well. This is a nice way to kind of preview what it's going to look like. But when you save it out, of course, it will a lot of times be faster if it's a large model, and it takes a couple seconds to render each frame. When you're saving out images, you have a variety of different options to choose from. When you first click it, you need to press Enter to select that whole viewing window. And then you can choose, bitmap, JPEG, PNG, etc. Last but not least, you can go to the Report tab here at the bottom, and this is going to create a default report for you, which you can then customize by clicking Actions, Configure Report. This is pretty self-explanatory. You can just go through these different sections and check them if you'd like to activate them. You can alter them if you want to, uncheck them if you want to turn them off, and then if you want to add your own section, you can right-click and add any of these available options. So to add an image file, you would right-click and say Add Image File, and then just browse to the image file you'd like. Doing this is going to allow you to generate a nice custom report in Algor, which can then, through the Actions button, be saved out as a PDF or Word document.